Hello to everyone. My name is Amenyimana Gerard. Today I'm going to talk about the Insight Technologies Azure Cloud Infrastructure Project Final Build. I will talk through a planned implementation of Insight Technologies Azure Cloud Infrastructure. While I wasn't able to perform a live build due to student subscription limitations, I have thoroughly studied and prepared a full plan that demonstrate how each step would be completed in Azure, including the user access, storage, virtual machines, networking. Then I'll talk about the monitoring. So I'll go to step 2, which is my second slide, whereby I will talk about the user and group accounts. Say whereby the user accounts then assign roles. Then we have CEO, which is Ted Williams, which has full administrative access. Then teams, we have sales, marketing, engineering, then customer service. In this step, I would create user accounts, as I've said, in Azure Entry, assigning each employee to their respective team. For example, you can see CEO, and which is Teddy, would be given administrative privileges, while team members would be assigned roles, ensuring only access to their own groups resources. This setup ensures a secure role-based access control and lays the foundation of the infrastructure. I will go to step 3, which is Azure. I'll go to step 3, which is Azure storage. Then in this step, I plan to create storage accounts for each team, then restricted group by membership, then 2 virtual servers per team, and I would give 1 GB to each. For this step, the plan involves creating a dedicated storage for each team. The access would be restricted using Azure assignment, so only members of the relevant team can access their storage. This ensures data isolation and prepares storage for the virtual machine in step 4. So I'll go to a virtual machine, which I've talked about in step 4. So whereby I plan to deploy 6 virtual servers, 2 per team, attached to respective team storage, then access restricted Azure RBA theme. In this step, I would deploy 6 virtual machines in Azure, as I've shown you, 2 per team, and attach the previous planned storage. Access would be controlled using Azure role-based access control, ensuring that each virtual machine can only be accessed by team it belongs to. This step supports both security and operational isolation. I will go to our 5th slide, which talks about the virtual network. I plan 3 virtual networks, 1 per team. Then I assigned IP ranges, sales, engineering, customer services. Then I used Azure DNS. Then I enforced network isolation. Within this, I would involve creating VLAN for each team with isolated IP range using Azure DNS automatic IP assigning or automatic IP assignment. Network associated groups would ensure that teams cannot access each other's virtual machine. This plan achieves a sure network segmentation for the organization. I'll go to slide 6, which talks about the backup and the monitoring plan. Plan backup strategy, daily incremental backups, weekly fully backups, then configure Azure Monitor and log analytics, track server headers and the performance client. Within this step, I would implement backup plan within daily implementation and weekly backup for virtual machine. Azure monitoring and logo analytics would would track server health and alert administration if performance issues occur. This ensures business continuity and disaster recovery preparedness. Then I will go to second slide, which talks about security and best practices. RBAC applies to all resources, network security groups for server protection, then data separation per team, then backup and monitoring for disaster recovery. This slide summarizes the security plan. Each resource would have RB applied, then NGSs would protect the server. Data is separated per team, as we have seen. Then monitoring and backup ensure continuity. This structure allows Azure best practices for cloud security. Then I will go to slide number 8, which talks about summary of planned build. Team fully isolated, as you can see. Then 6 virtual machines are prepared for deployment. Then storage allocated per team. Then VLANs and the IP scheme are designed. Then the backup monitoring strategy included. In summary, I'll outline the complete Azure environment, showing a detailed plan for user access, storage, virtual machine, network, and the monitoring. This plan meets the company's requirements while following security and best practice guidelines. Then I will go to slide 7, slide 9, which talks about key takeaways. Azure Plan supports SaaS, software as a service, operations, team isolation prevents unauthorized access, then the backup and monitoring ensure business continuity, then infrastructure ready for future expansion. These key points are the most important environment in secure, isolated, monitored, and ready for growth. Even so, this was planned built due to subscription limitation. It shows full understanding of Azure infrastructure deployment, of which I made research about the notes we are given. Then I'll go to slide 10, which is our conclusion. So thank you for taking the time to review my final presentation. Although this was a planned build due to student subscription limitation, in a full Azure environment has been carefully designed to meet all company requirements. The plan ensures that the system is secured, that the storage and virtual machine are correctly allocated, the backup plans and monitoring strategies are placed in a business for continuity. The next step include approval that this planned implement and onboarding the term into their respective environment and continuous monitoring the infrastructure to ensure security and performance. I'm confident this plan provides professional, secure, and scalable solution to Ensign technologies ready for future growth and potential success. May God bless us all. Thank you very much. By names of Hamenyimana Gerard. If for more information, you can contact me.